Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Bhavya's Bouquet. In today's video, I'll show you how to use a paper crimper. So let's get started. So first of all, you put your quilling strip over here in between the machine, and then after that you turn this slightly. Now once this is fit inside, all you need to do is turn this. So this is how the paper looks after crimping. You could crimp more than once if you want to give it a better look, and always keep the strip down while you're crimping. Don't keep it up or it won't get crimped properly, so like keep it in the down area. So after this you can make it into a tight coil. So I've showed you in my previous video how to use the basic quilling needle and make a tight coil, so you can check that out. After that, and once you're done with this, you'll glue it up at the end. So this is how the paper looks after crimping, and this is how the normal one looks. So this is the difference between the tight coil after crimping and the normal one. So you could decide whether you want to crimp it or not depending on this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching.